Hey, how's it going? It's me and James, the cleaning doctor from Michigan. Came down to Okeechobee so we could build this little demo cart right here using the RO system. It's just it's a simple one, 150 a day gallon membrane with a booster pump. And we put in a calcium filter right here. Well, you could point them out. So we put a calcium filter in. We got the RO right there, right there. We got our Esperer unit. We got a little faucet right here. We got the storage tank right there. So James wanted to build a little cart that he could, when he's doing his demo, so that he could show the functions of a machine without having to set it up in somebody's house. So this is pretty nice little demo cart. Didn't take us much to put it together. So now we got it hooked up to the faucet in the bathroom. So we got all that so you could hook it up to any faucet. You got the drain line to run to the drain, obviously. And that's it. So all we have to do now is, if we're at someone's house, is just turn it on. Running good. Oh, where'd our bucket go? The dogs are at it again. Every time I try to do a video, you gotta be in the video, man.
Oh, okay.
The crazy dogs. Hey, Eddie's disease. Take it easy. We're trying to make a video here. All right, so we got a nice fresh glass of Esperer. Here you go. And so what we'll do, we'll come over here and I got a mess going on. All right, so we're gonna show here. Come on over here. So we're gonna show. I never have help. This is awesome. So we're gonna show a nice reduced ORP. Let's go up here where they can see it in the screen there. So you see we're running a. Hey, stop it! Hang on, let it. I'm shaking it around too much. So anyway, you can see we're running a nice negative. We're up at 212, 215, 227. It'll keep going, but the problem is I'm shaking it. Anyway, the point is we're way up in negative 200s, 250s. So good reduced ORP. All right. pH. Now, neutral water. Here, let's back up a little bit. Neutral water has no pH. You have to understand, but it should register neutral. So we'll put it in here real quick. Let it come up. These meters are a little slow. Hey, you guys, take it easy. All right, so it's coming up 6.3. We'll keep going. We already pre-tested. It came out to 7.3. So it just takes a minute. 6.8. Do you guys really have to make that much noise? Hermie, 80s. Knock it off. Be quiet. So there we are, 7.1. It should end up about 7.3, 7.4. Neutral pH. 7.2. There's the 3. Come on, you guys. I'm going to put you out in the warehouse. Can't even hear myself think. 7.4. See, it's deadening out right here. It's about where it should be. 7.5. This thing's so slow. It slows down like this. You're about at the end of it. So there we go. Neutral pH. Let's get this thing out of the way. We did the ORP. TDS. Everybody talks about low TDS water, you know, but you can't drink zero. We got to back up a little bit. I can't get it. You can't drink zero water. You know, that's no good for you. So you got to have at least 40, 50 parts per million. We just built this, so we're breaking in the alkaline filter a little bit. They run about 80 parts per million right now. That'll settle down a little bit. It'll get down to about 50 after it breaks in. But still 80, plenty low, but good for the ORPs. So that's it. There's your first glass of Esperer from your unit. You gonna drink it?
Yes, sir.
Goes down like water, don't
Oh
it?
man, it tastes silky. Silky.
I always say, goes down like water.
Silky water.
So that's it. Very simple. It's a good demonstration of what you can do with a little under-the-sink RO system. And along with an electrolyzer, you know, but a high-amp dual polarity Esperer one. So that's pretty much it, James. We accomplished our mission, man.
Pretty good job.
Huh?
Pretty good job.
I was wondering when we started this morning, and James pulled up with a trunk load of parts and says, let's make a demo system. And I'm thinking, there's no way in the world we're going to do it with this little cart. But I'll be damned, it came out pretty gosh darn nice. Pretty nice. I think I'm going to make one for myself.
Yes.
Get rid of my big blue machine.
Yes.
So that's great, man.
Yes.
So anybody who don't know, this is James Jackson. You see him on the website as under the dealers. He's the cleaning doctor from Detroit, Michigan, and he joined forces with us a couple years ago. He was introduced to everything down at the Islander when they were staying at the resort right there during COVID and stuff, and when we were doing all the fogging and everything, and that caught his attention, and one thing led to another, and now he's a dealer in Detroit. You need anything up in the Midwest, you give James a call.
Yes.
That's it, James.
We'll take care of you.
That's it.
That's right.
And that goes for cleaning, too.
Yes, most definitely.
Uses all our products for cleaning, everything.
And
All
we believe in all cleaning. This is a clean. That's what this doing. It's cleaning. We clean carpets. We do floor care, but this actually clean water, which will eventually start cleaning your body.
And he's up in Detroit where they need all the help they can get with the water. Right?
Yes. Yes.
Still bad up there?
Yes. Yes.
So, anyway, he's got the best water in town. So if you're up in Michigan, give James a call.
Yes. Thank you.
Adios.